Alright guys, so in this video I'm gonna be finishing the bumper. I gotta weld it all together, cap the ends, and the same thing with the rack. I gotta paint it, grind a few welds that are not as nice, and then here on the back I have to drill the bottom of each tube so this thing won't go anywhere, and then finish welding all these pillars. Also finish welding down here the bed, and yeah, that should be ready to hit the road. Right, so I made these little coins to go on here. Now they weld all the way and grind it, and we got a cap. Right, so one of the notches that I did wasn't the best, so what I'm doing is I'm putting a bolt there, and then I'm gonna weld over it. This should melt a little bit, and then that should fill this gap pretty nicely. See how it goes. So, not the most beautiful weld, but now there's a bolt there melted in between the gap, and this thing is not going anywhere. This thing is strong. So yeah, if you need to fill a gap, just use a bolt or be a better notcher. Hey, what's up? So here it is, finally. TRUCKFINDER ready. Pretty happy with this bumper. Actually, it looks sick. The rack looks really good too. And this back looks really good. I think it looks amazing. I'm so happy with it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be keeping this paint, or maybe I was thinking doing kind of like a patina, rusty looking car, because the whole bed is all rusted like that, and I don't really want to paint that. So yeah, I think this is it for now. I won't be probably making any more videos of this Nissan for a while, so yeah, I hope you guys like it.